forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss operation on sets and their properties. Number 1, union of sets. For union of sets we use this symbol. The union of two sets A and B is a set of all those elements which are either in A or in B. Mathematically we write A union B is a set of elements X such that either X belong to A or X belong to B. For example, let A equal to 2, 3, 5 and B is equal to 3, 5, 6. Then A union B is equal to is a set of all those elements either in A or in B. So first write all the elements of set A. 2, 3, 5. Now write all the elements of set B which are different. 3 already written, 5 already written, and now write 6. So A union B is 2, 3, 5, 6. Either 2 belong to A or B, 2 belong to A union B. 2 belong to A or B, 3 belong to A union B. Now properties of union of two sets. First, Venn diagram. Venn diagram is a visual representation of a set. For Venn diagram, we use rectangle bracket for universal set, and we write universal set here. This is symbol of universal set. And for two sets A and B, we use circles. This is set A or this is set B. In set A there are 3 elements 2, 3, 5, and in set B there are 3 elements 3, 5, 6. 3 and 5 are common. So write 3 and 5 in between 3 and 5 in common portion. Write 2 here and 6 here. Which portion shows us A union B? 2, 3, 5, 6. 2, 3, 5, 6. Means share this whole portion. So this whole portion represent A union B. Remark number 2. Sets are commutative with respect to union. A union B is equal to B union A. Commutative property. Or commutative law. Third, sets are associative with respect to union. Means A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. Associative law. Fourth, idempotent law. A union A is equal to A. Idempotent law. 5. A union 5 is equal to A. law of identity. Six, A union universal set is equal to universal set. Law of universal set. Point number 7, if X belong to A union B, the next step we always write X belong to A or X belong to B. Union means or. But if X does not belong to A union B, implies X does not belong to A, in place of or we can use and X does not belong to B. Why we write and in place of whenever negation is there, X does not belong to A and B, then union convert into and or convert into and. By one example, let A is equal to 2, 3 and B is equal to 3, 4. Then A union B is equal to 2, 3, 4. Since 5 does not belong to A union B, implies 5 does not belong to A, 5 does not belong to B. Now tell me, which symbol we will use grammatically? Or and. 5 does not belong to A and 5 does not belong to B. So and is there. Next operation, intersection of two sets. Symbol of intersection is this. Intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all those elements which belong to both A and B. Mathematically we write A intersection B is a set of elements X such that X belong to both A and B, means X belong to A and X belong to B, both. For example, let A is equal to 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 4, 5, 6. Then A intersection B is equal to set of common elements. Only 4 is common element. So A intersection B is 4. Remarks. Number 1, Venn diagram. Venn diagram of two sets A and B. First row, rectangle bracket for universal set. Two sets A and B. Set A and set B. I will to find common portion of A and B. So just find common portion. This is set A. And this is shade B. So this is common portion. A intersection B. So this portion shows A intersection B. Remark number 2. Sets are commutative with respect to intersection. Means A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Commutative law. Sets are associative with respect to intersection. A intersection B intersection C. If we change the bracket, value remains same. This is called associative law. Fourth, A intersection A is equal to A. This is called idempotent law. Remark number 5. A intersection phi is equal to phi. There is no common element. Law of phi. 6. A intersection universal set is equal to A. Law of universal set. 7. Distributive law. Now there are two distributive law. A union B intersection C is equal to. Either union or intersection outside, just consider into, or inside just consider plus and expand. For example, I am giving an example: 2 into 3 plus 4. Then we write 2 into 3 plus 2 into 4. In same way, A union B. So A into B. So A union B plus. A plus means intersection. 2 into 4 means A union C. Similarly, A intersection B union C is equal to. Again consider outside either intersection or union. Always consider into or this is plus, and then expand. A intersection B union A intersection C. Point number 8. Remark number 8. X belong to A intersection B implies X belong to A and X does not X belong to B. But if X does not belong to A intersection B, normally for union we use or intersection we use and. But this special case, X does not belong to A intersection B implies X does not belong to A or X does not belong to B. Next operation, difference of two sets. The difference of two sets A and B in this order is the set of all those elements which belong to A and not to B. For example, mathematically write A minus B is the set of elements X such that X belong to A and X does not belong to B. For example, let A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 6 and B is equal to 2, 5, 7, 8. Then A minus B is a set of all those elements which belong to A, not to B. So write all the elements of A which does not belong to B. 2 belong to A, 2 belong to B, means 2 does not belong to A minus B. 3 belong to A, 3 does not belong to B, it means 3 belong to A minus B. 5 belong to A, 5 does not belong to B, it means 5 does not belong to A minus B. So 5 belong to B, sorry. 5 belong to A, 5 belong to B. So 5 does not belong to A minus B. 6 belong to A, 6 does not belong to B. It means 6 belong to A minus B. And another method is 2 belong to B, so cut it. 5 belong to, so cut 5. Only write remaining elements 3 and 6. Venn diagram. For universal set, we take rectangle bracket and denoted by U. Inside the rectangle bracket, set A and set B. Set A and this is set B. A minus B means only A. So this portion represents only A. Only A. A minus B means only A, and this portion represent only B, means B minus A, or we can say only B. Next operation, symmetric difference of two sets. The symmetric difference of two sets A and B is the set A minus B union B minus A, and it is denoted by A del B, or mathematically we write A del B is equal to A minus B union B minus A. Venn diagram. Universal set, two sets A and B. This is A minus B, only A, and this is B minus A. So union of these two sets is called A del B. Next operation, complement of a set. Let U be the universal set and A a subset of universal set. Then the complement of set A is a set of all elements of universal set which are not the elements of set A. Symbolically, we write A dash to represent the complement of set A with respect to universal set. And mathematically we write complement of A is equal to universal set minus A is a set of elements X such that X belong to universal set and X does not belong to A. For example, let universal set equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A is equal to 2, 5, 6. Then complement of A is equal to universal set minus A. And U minus A is the set of all those elements which belong to U, not to A. So don't write any element of A. 2 belong to U, 2 belong to A. So don't write. 5 belong to universal set and 5 belong to A. So don't write 5. 6 belong to U and 6 belong to A. So don't write 6. So only 1, 3, 4. Remarks. Number 1, Venn diagram. For universal set we use rectangle bracket. This is set A A dash means set of all those elements which belong to you, not to A. Means this remaining portion represent A complement. Problem number 2. A union A complement is equal to, from this diagram, A union A complement equal to universal set. Third, A intersection A complement. There is no common element between A and A complement, so it is 5. Complement of A complement is equal to again A. Point number 5. Phi dash. Phi dash means universal set minus phi is equal to universal set. 6. Universal set dash equal to universal set minus universal set is equal to phi. 7. De Morgan's law. There are two De Morgan's law. First one is A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement, and A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement. In next lecture, we will do extra problem based on operation on sets. Thank you.